That's right, folks. My brand new, well, new to me, daily here is an Acura RSX 2006. You can tell from the wheels, guys, that this is the Type S edition in this vivid blue pearl color, which I just absolutely adore. 2-liter VTEC 4-cylinder engine, 201 horsepower. But I mean, this thing is lightweight, so it's a blast to drive. But let's go ahead and just hop inside, get it started up. Love this thing here. You can see it's got a little of that paint fade that you see on all the, or a lot of RSXs. I'm not gonna say all of them. All right. All right, this one, folks, has 100 and let's see, cut this air down a bit, 172,000 miles on it, but it's still a really strong performer. I'm just really impressed by this car. The interior, normal interior. This is the black interior. They do have the tan that you could get, but I love this blue on black combo. Nice large buttons on the side here, automatic driver's window. The only thing that I've done on the inside is it did have a aftermarket Pioneer stereo in it already. I went ahead and added another one. This one actually has wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. I'm an Android user, so Android Auto works for me. It usually connects automatically, but I have my GoPro connected right now to my Bluetooth, so it's not going to pop up. But if that's something you want to see, just let me know. And here's the original window sticker for this RSX. Back in 2006, this was $24,460, which seems like a steal. This is the Type S model, so no real options. Everything pretty much came on the vehicle. Like I said, 201 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine. It does have the Bose audio system, which is really neat. It has the subwoofer under the or within the spare tire, if that makes sense. Rear double wishbone suspension. That was definitely a point of contention for the Integra enthusiasts. 23 in the city, 31 in the highway. I have been getting less than that since I've owned the vehicle, but I have been having quite a lot of fun with this car. But you know, without further ado, I know you guys are here for the drive. Let's just go ahead and take this thing on the road. Now, I should start with that this car does have catback exhaust and a short ram on it. Catback is Yanaka or Yanaka, however you pronounce it. The short ram is an engine short ram air intake, and boy, do they make this car really come alive, feel alive, and a typical Camry driver. Let's go. And you'll probably notice the difference if you watch a video where everything on the car is stock versus the little updates that this one does have. And I'm really happy that the previous owner put that on the car. Every time I touch VTEC in this car, I cannot help but smile, laugh. It's just, this is really a hoot to drive. One thing I love about this car, the handling. I mean, it just feels, you just feel so connected to it. It's a very mechanical feel, especially the transmission. It's very flat through the corners. I'll let that Mazda get a little room up there. This is going to be second gear here. Very flat through the corners, just a feel-good car. Another thing I'm sure that helps with the handling of my particular car, the standard tires on this, the standard size is a 215, and the previous owner updated them to a 225. Same wheel design, obviously. That special Type S wheel design that was only on the car from 05 to 06, which I love those. But the tire itself, the width is now a 225. So definitely have a little bit more contact with the, I'm about to do something crazy that is not a cop, just so you guys know it's a cop car, but I live over here. Let's see what those kids are doing. What a hoot to drive. Back in 2006, this was a really great time for sport compact cars. It was just so many options to choose from. Acura had it in the bag with this Type S. Honda, of course, was making the SI as well. You had the SI sedan come out. It was just so many cool cars for you to choose from that have this great mechanical feel. I love the AC controls. It's just the 3 knobs, which a lot of the older cars have. Honda's especially has been good for just the 3 knobs. It's very simple. This is automatic air conditioning too, which is really neat. So you do have a little luxury touches for 2006. So you got the automatic air conditioning, leather seats, no heated seats or anything like that. Nice sunroof up above. And like I mentioned earlier, this did come with the Bose audio system, which sounds surprisingly really good. One thing Acura has always done and still do to this day is they make a great audio system. And once I threw this Pioneer head unit in, it really brightened it up, especially from the older head unit that I had. Like I said, it's Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, both are wireless, which is amazing. If you have an opportunity to upgrade it, to update to the wireless, I would go ahead and do that. I'll put the name of this particular stereo on the screen so you can see exactly what it is. Typical Honda brakes, you see that shake there. Honda Acura brakes. I mean, you can really beat on this thing through the corners and it's just gonna reward you completely. Folks, and thank you for joining me on the short drive of my new daily here. I'm just so in love with this vehicle. A couple of things I am going to do to the car. This owner has Acura badges, or excuse me, Honda badges everywhere, on the wheels, on the back here, as well as on that front grille. I'm going to go ahead and put my Acura badge back here, add the RSX here, put the Acura badge on the left side I'm still debating on, but everything else is going back to stock OEM look. I don't mind the Honda badges. I know a lot of you guys out there love it. It's on the front here too. I'm just not a fan, you know, but that's the beautiful thing about the car community. We all have our own thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and make everything Acura out. Also, these headlights, definitely have to clean these up. They have some yellowing here. Looks like somebody has already tried to do it. So I'm definitely going to do that. I am going to make a video about the badging process as well as the headlight cleaning process. And if there's anything else, one more thing I just thought about, the paint here. As you can see, we have some clear coat failure. Not sure if it's showing the best, but we have it here. And if you look closely, it's showing 2 different colors here. It almost looks like the Blue Vivid and something else, but definitely has a clear title, so not really concerned about any accidents that it has been in. I was told that it hasn't. The Carfax says the same thing. But that's it, guys. If there's anything else that you want to see on the vehicle, any ideas that you feel like I should do to it, definitely leave it in the comments below. But until then, I'll see you in the next review.